How to check toll charges through Platepass for $1 car rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, how much does Platepass cost? Platepass all-inclusive daily and weekly rates vary by state. If you do not OPT into Platepass all-inclusive at the counter or OPT in by opening the transporter shield box, but use cashless toll lanes, which will cost you more. So, as it's written in the website, Platepass all-inclusive tolling service to cover cashless tolls at a flat daily rate covering unlimited uses. Without this, drivers are billed for tolls at the highest rate, plus administrative fees of 9.99 per uses. Toll charges appear on credit cards 1 to 3 weeks later. There's no specific toll prices, but the highest rate plus administrative is 9.99. But if you get Platepass option, it provides a seamless experience through automated electronic tolling, allowing you to use fast lanes without bringing your own transporter. So make sure Platepass is inclusive in here. There's no specific charge in any of the website of dollar car rental, but this is what you need to know. This is how to check toll charges through Platepass for $1 car rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.